Want to print a document straight from Google Drive without the hassle of downloading and reformatting? Whether you're at home, in the office, or using a shared printer, this guide will show you exactly how to print any file from Google Drive in 2025, quickly, easily, and correctly. Stick around, because I'll also share a key tip to make sure your printouts come out exactly how you want them. First, open Google Drive on your computer or mobile device and sign in with your Google account. Locate the file you want to print. This could be a Google Doc, sheet, slide, or even a PDF stored in Drive. If it's a Google Doc, sheet, or slide, just double-click to open it. For PDFs or images, open them in the built-in preview window. Now, here's the key step. Click on File, then select Print. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. This opens the Print Preview window. From here, choose your printer. If you're using a wireless or network printer, make sure it's connected and detected. If you're not near a printer, you can also choose Save as PDF to print it later. Next, customize your settings. Select the number of copies you want. Choose specific pages if you don't want to print the whole document. Adjust layout settings like portrait or landscape. Set paper size and color options if available. Once everything looks good in the preview, click Print. And that's how you print from Google Drive in 2025, whether you're on desktop or mobile. Super simple, right? If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and share it with someone who's always struggling to print their files. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll help you out.